Kyiv is the capital of our country and was founded more than 1500 years ago. It is one of the most beautiful cities in Ukraine. Kyiv is famous not only for its history, but for its beauty. Located in the heart of Europe and far away from the hustle and bustle of the big capital city, Infinity Clinic welcomes patients from all over the world for the most advanced treatment ever, stem cell therapy. Ms. Teresa Davis came to our clinic all the way from the United States to get help for her son and herself. And this is where her hopes are. Rested after the long journey, Ms. Davis is ready for her first meeting with the doctors who listen carefully to everything she says, ask questions in order to select the best fitting cells, and explain what is going to be done in the next couple of days. Everything is clear, tests have been done, the results came in, and here begins the real thing. First part of stem cell therapy program. The patient can observe all the procedures. The cells for Ms. Teresa Davis were carefully selected based on her reports and test results. The cells are in the IV. Ms. Teresa Davis relaxes and enjoys the magnificent view from the window. Positive and relaxed atmosphere is key to success. Our treatment is a complex procedure including 4 days, 3 nights program with full board accommodation, consultation and examination by the Infinity Clinic chief doctor and specialist doctor, laboratory tests, detoxification, additional instrumental examinations, rehabilitation and revitalization procedures, personalized stem cell therapy administration, personalized stem cell extracts administration, post-treatment examination by the Infinity Clinic doctors, transfers from and to the airport. Pristine nature, fresh air, excellent food, everything for our patients. Jordan Davis, the son of Ms. Teresa, is here for autism treatment. He feels quite comfortable with our medical staff. The procedure is the same. Doctors and other staff are fast and coordinated. Carefully selected sample is processed and worked with a proper manner, and then given to the patient in the IV. In our clinic, autism treatment is integrated, and Jordan continues with other activities planned for him by our special educational professional. He enjoys microcurrents and gladly repeats exercises necessary for better speech and oral motorics. He's happy with what he is doing. Day 2 begins for Miss Teresa. Today, she'll be receiving stem cells into her frontal abdomen. There are different cells and different mode of administration. The doctors explain all the details about this procedure to the patient. The procedure is over, and mother and son are enjoying their lunch in our beautiful restaurant. Beauty is something everyone cares for. While Miss Teresa is getting younger and relaxing, Jordan is up to the new class with changing activities, playing and learning at the same time. Water is a paradise for Jordan. He just loves it. In the heated pool, he really changes and becomes his real self. He does what he enjoys, and he demonstrates the tricks he can do. time goes by and treatment is over. Patient-doctor session is about everything. Our doctors explain what to expect for both Miss Theresa and her son Jordan. They give all kinds of recommendations regarding the diet, exercising, educational approaches, prescriptions, and other things. This is very important to maximize the effect. Everything comes to an end, and the time has come to say goodbye, with a hope for the better for both the mother and the son.
Hi, I'm sitting here with Terry Davis, who brought her son Jordan to Infinity Clinic here in Kyiv for stem cell treatment for autism. How was your experience?
It was wonderful. The doctors here are very smart, and yet they're so nice and very compassionate. They treated Jordan and myself with respect, but also with compassion. And I also had a lot of fun with them too. They're terrific doctors.
After you saw the treatment that Jordan received, you decided to have treatment yourself. Are you happy about that?
Yes. Having Jordan, he's very active, an alpha male, and so I decided to come and get the treatment to get myself healthy as possible, to take care of him a little longer in life. So, and I'm very happy that I came and got it done. Very happy.
When we first spoke, you were concerned about coming to the Ukraine because of the war issue you heard. Do you have any concerns now?
No, not at all. You're right. All I see on TV is the war, and that was a little scary. But once I got here, everybody's very friendly, everybody's very caring, they're very nice. I saw no indication of any war or any danger in any way, shape, or form. And I felt very safe bringing myself and my son here.
Thank you. What do you think of the facility, the clinic, the view, the lake, the pool?
It was very relaxing to come here. Very relaxing. The just aesthetically pulling up. The lake was here. The clinic is very clean. It's very sterile, but yet very relaxing and very like you're at home. We're like at a hotel somewhere.
Yeah.
So it was not at all like I was going into a hospital someplace. And again, the receptionists, the doctors, the nurses, the therapists, everybody was very nice, very relaxed atmosphere. And even when Jordan would get a little upset about something, they're like, no problem, no worries. They rolled with us the whole way through. It was a very relaxing experience. I'm very surprised and very happy about it.
Just 24 hours after treatment, you've noticed that he's not doing the tics anymore.
Yes, it's bizarre. He is not doing the flapping. He's not sitting there with the tics as much. He's very calm, and he's smiling, and he's laughing. I'm noticing that his stomach is not as bloated already. And so all of these are wonderful things to have happen. Believe me, they are wonderful. All right, maybe more specifically, wonderful that they are not happening.
Yes.
Specifically, yes.
Would you recommend Infinity to a friend?
Yes, I would. In fact, I've been texting a few of my TACA moms. TACA is, as I mentioned to you, an acronym for Talk About Curing Autism. It's a parent support group that I volunteer for. And I've already talked to some of my co-volunteers about the one woman has a son with autism, but he also has diabetes, juvenile diabetes. And I talked to her about the idea of possibly coming here to help him with his stem cell therapy. So yes, I have been in contact with a few people. In fact, on the plane over, I met a gentleman who had several grandchildren that had a very rare disease with respect to the colon. And I was like, I took his email address just in case I could text him and follow up with him afterwards to see if this is something that maybe the doctors could help him with.
What are you hoping for in the future?
Cut. I'll get emotional.
Sorry, I knew.
Shut up.
I knew that was going to happen. We actually met at a TACA conference.
Correct.
And had a long discussion, and then we spent hours on the phone together and answering questions.
Yes. Okay.
Did I answer your questions to fullest?
Yes, you. I had concerns about what the process would be like, how safe the procedure would be for my son. Again, I was worried about coming to another country that I wouldn't be familiar with. The clinic, who these doctors were, all of those. I had questions, I had concerns. People were telling me, oh, if you get certain stem cells, you can get tumors, they could get cancer. I had concerns about that. And the follow-up, I was concerned about, do they just let you go once you're done, what happens afterwards? And you were great about getting
Thank
back
you.
to me. And I also wanted references because I had heard that sometimes people would get stem cell therapy and then a few months later it would regress and they paid all that money and nothing happened. And so I was very concerned and I wanted to talk to somebody who had it done and a year plus later to know if it stayed with them.
Yes.
And you were great about
Thank you.
getting me people to talk to. And so that, and they totally, because I could so relate to them with their kids with autism. It's very similar in many ways, even though they have little differences here and there, but it was great talking to the people that you provided for me. So it made me feel so much more confident about coming here and trusting you
Thank
to
you.
be working with these people. So yes,
Thank you for sharing your
sure,
thoughts.
absolutely.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get instant access to all of our latest medical care videos. Enjoy your free pass to quality global healthcare.